In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign eSignature, how to apply a template to an envelope. 5 minutes. If you're sending the same type of document over and over, templates save you time by preloading the files, recipient roles, and signature fields. An envelope is simply the package that holds those documents and routes them to the right people for signatures. Start by signing into your Docusign account. Make sure you're in the correct account or environment if you have access to more than one, since templates are tied to the account where they were created. From the home area, look for the Start option. This opens the sending workflow so you can prepare a new envelope. On the preparation screen, choose Upload. This gets you to the place where you can add files, or in our case, pull in a template. If your template already includes documents, you don't need to upload anything else here. Select Use a Template, you'll see your available templates listed. If you have many, use the search bar to type a keyword from the template name or filter by who created it or when it was updated. Pick the template that matches the document you want to send and then choose Add Selected. If your process uses more than one template, you can add them here as long as they're compatible, but typically one is all you need. Click Next. The template's documents, fields, and recipient roles will populate automatically. You'll now replace the placeholder roles with real people. For each role, enter the recipient's full name and email address. Take a moment to confirm the routing order, especially if the template is set to send to one person after another. You can also adjust recipient options like needs to sign or receives a copy if the template allows changes. When the recipients look correct, click Next again to review the tagged fields. Docusign will show you each page with signature, date, and any other fields already placed by the template. Scan through the pages to make sure fields align with the content. If something needs a small tweak, drag a field into place or change who it's assigned to using the recipient dropdown. Keep adjustments minimal to preserve the consistency your template provides. When everything looks good, click Send. Docusign will route the envelope to your recipients and notify you as each person completes their part. If anything bounces, double-check email spelling or confirm you replaced all placeholders. For your first time with a new template, consider sending a quick test to yourself to confirm the flow.